nothing like an all-wheel drive launch, man.
Everybody's hair look good?
Oh, I did. Check out the beards, man. You got everybody with a beard here.
Yeah. Hello everybody, Happy New Year. My name is Alex from Hennessey Performance and I am with some of our amazing Hennessey Performance technicians. We've got Rod here in the front seat, we've got Clint and Ricky in the back seat. These guys know a lot more about how to build cars than I do, and today we are riding around and doing some final testing in a 1,000 horsepower Jeep Trackhawk. These are all-wheel drive, monstrous SUVs that launch crazy hard, and our 1000 package has actually achieved a 2.7 0 to 60 time, which is pretty unbelievable for a big family hauler. We're just gonna make sure that this vehicle is running perfectly so that we can deliver to the customer. Rod here actually is the one who built this vehicle, and Rod himself owns a Hellcat. He's going for the world record of the
Stick shift.
Stick shift
quarter mile.
Stick shift quarter mile for a Challenger. How close are you to that record?
Right now I'm number 7 in the top 10 list in the world.
So you're from Texas, but y'all two are not from Texas.
No, sir.
Ricky, you're from Miami.
Yes, sir.
And Clint, you're from
Virgin Islands.
the Virgin Islands.
Yes, sir.
We got people that work at Hennessey from all over, which is really cool. I think Virgin Islands might be the farthest though.
Yeah.
Continuing on the Hellcat platform, we're going to be building the Dodge Durango, which is now coming out with the Hellcat platform. So we're going to be offering our 900 horsepower package and our 1000 package. So these guys are going to be building them. What do you guys think about Hellcats overall?
Love them.
Yeah, you're a big Hellcat guy.
The power you can make out of these motors just with, simple upgrades is amazing and astounding at how they can take a beating and still keep going.
Definitely, it's an excellent platform. We've loved modifying them. Every Hellcat build that we do comes with a warranty, of course, so if you are interested in any sort of Hellcat upgrades, give us a call. Let's see what this thing does down the back of the track. Get your necks ready. All right, everybody ready? Buckled in?
Yep.
Yeah.
That was 135, just like that.
Effortlessly.
Simple as
You got your family in the back, got groceries in the back.
Yeah, little Timmy in his little car seat loving this.
Yeah.
5 behind you.
Yeah. John loves his Jeep. I've never seen him daily a vehicle for that long.
It's a testament to it though.
Yeah.
I mean, he could daily something that has 1,000 horsepower,
Right there, baby. 966, 145.
This just doesn't get old.
That exhaust sounds vicious, man.
I like how the exhaust is just like, it's pretty chill. You like when you're chill?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? When you're on it, it's like, alright.
It's
Yeah,
total
it's
sleeper.
See, like right now, just cruising. Like,
Yeah, you
it's
don't.
chill.
You can't even tell.
Yeah, it feels factory. It does. Yeah, it really does. It feels factory.
Alright guys, that wraps up this video. We hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Guys, thanks for joining us. Rodrigo,
pleasure.
great job on the build.
Yeah,
Thank you.
And we'll see you next time.
Came here for the horsepower.